All right, let's talk week 6. Still online, still, and really getting into March, okay? So the first thing is I want you to go ahead and read the directions for forum number 4. Forum number 4 is my online version of a Socratic seminar without having to use video tools. So all of that being said, you're just posting to a forum, but it's a little bit more involved than usual, and it takes the book. You have to have the book to do forum number 4. All right, so go ahead and read those directions before you start reading, or as you're reading is really good. Just get familiar early in the week. And then part 2, number 2, it's what you're going to be doing at the beginning of the week. So this class that I'm looking at, you guys are Monday. My other 2 classes, this will say Tuesday. So check your calendar, check Moodle. You're going to work through a plagiarism unit, and it's all right here. Watch the video. This video will walk you through what to do with all of this, but largely you're going through a lesson on your own, obviously, and then you're going to take this quiz, and then you go into part 2. So this video tells you everything. And yes, this quiz will go into the gradebook. And then completion of all of this counts as your attendance for that first day of the week. So please get it done. Please get it. Oh my God, please get it done. Okay, so after you've gone through the plagiarism stuff, you don't have anything to do until the forum. I wanted to give you ample time to read this book and to take time reading the book. So if you don't have the actual hard copy, okay, you don't have the hard copy, then click right here. It should take you to this page. Just make sure that this is the one you're seeing. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you there are some sketchy ads on here, and I'm really sorry about that. But this is your book. So make sure it says March issue number 1, and then you can change it to either look at one page at a time, or you can view the entire book, all like you're just scrolling and reading the entire thing. Just make sure you're reading book 1. It should link straight there. And then forum number 4, Friday, 11:59 p.m., just like the others. This time it's 1 discussion post and 2 replies, so please don't miss that. And then you get a little bit of a break for week 7. So week 6, read the directions for the forum before you get started. Complete the plagiarism unit. There are 2 pieces, part 1 and part 2. And then read the book if you haven't already. Read the book. And then forum number 4, 1 reply and, no, I'm sorry. Ooh, 1 post, 2 replies. 1 post, 2 replies. 1 post, 2 replies. That's it.